Good morning, everybody. A very good morning to all of you, bacho. We are live and we are back on Creatrix channel with another opportunity for you guys. A job notification. Yes. So in this video, I'll be covering a job notification that has been released by ITI Limited, and this job notification is specially for diploma holders. Okay. So guys, on this channel, we don't want to leave out either the degree people or the diploma holder. So whenever we see any job for either of these two people, we cover that. So don't get irritated that this job is not about the engineering graduates. I am telling you beforehand, it is about the diploma holders, but it is my role and responsibility to cover it because anyhow these people are related with the technical field, so they must get to know about any opportunity that is out there. So before I start, let me introduce myself for those of you who are watching my video for the first time. My dear students, my name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE. In 2014 and 2018, I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013. When I graduated from IIT Indore, till date I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes. And guys, I am presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now most of the students know this about me, but know one thing. The channel on which you are watching this video right now is one of the most revolutionary channel that has created a revolution in the field of GATE and the technical exam preparation. My team works day and night to bring more and more initiative for the students who can't afford to join a coaching, and they also deserve quality education, quality content with great intent. But our initiatives are not restricted to YouTube. They are also available on the Unacademy Learning app. Yes, my friend, you can enjoy our free initiatives on Unacademy app. Just download the app from the Play Store or App Store and then unlock any free initiative using the code ANKITESE. So let's see what this job is about. So ITI Rai Bareli is recruiting engineer diploma holder. That is the diploma holders in engineering domain. It is one of the country's premier telecom company and multi-unit central PSU. Okay, that means it has multiple units operating throughout the country and it is under the control of the central government. It is all set to take telecom and IT to greater and unexplored realms. Okay, bragging about themselves. The company has emerged as a country's leading total solution provider in telecommunication. That is selling the company. The first paragraph, first point is about selling the company to that job aspirant. Now the company is looking for engineering diploma holders in e-pay scale on tenure basis for 5 years. That means this is a contract based job which will be holding valid for 5 years. But here you will have a provision to get converted to a permanent employee if the company needs and you are suitable person. That is, if you fulfill the eligibility criteria, then during this tenure or after this tenure, you might get a permanent job at the company. But two things are needed. You fulfill the eligibility criteria and the company has an opening in that position. So what are the vacancies here? In mechanical, we have a total of 29 vacancies, including the unreserved and the reserved category. In electrical, 7 vacancies, and in electronics, 4. That is, in electrical plus electronics, we have a total of 11 vacancies and 29 vacancies are in mechanical. So this job posting is more important for the mechanical graduates. Not graduates, actually mechanical diploma holder. So eligibility is high school or its equivalent. Okay, that means in some states it will be high school, in some other it might be called something else. 3 years diploma through regular mode. That is, distance mode will not be accepted. You have to be regular. 3 years diploma in mechanical, electrical or electronics. Now minimum 60% aggregate, that is the total of all the 3 years for the unreserved and OBC. 55% aggregate for SC, ST and PWD. What is the remuneration? The remuneration is 19,190,229 basic plus VDA plus HRA is the minimum pay scale plus allowance and perk as the company rule. Now don't think of this as I think either there is some problem, either it will be 19,229 or this will be the annual income. Okay, don't think that it is too much, but definitely for the people who are not able to get at all any job, this can be a good starting point. Okay, So guys, don't ever consider any opportunity as a higher or a lower opportunity. Always try and make best use of whatever opportunity comes your way. That should be the attitude. Instead of sitting at home and cussing about having cuss words, so he's saying cuss words about the government and its policies, rather we must get up on our feet, we must take initiative, and we must make sure that we land a job. Okay, so it's not good always cribbing about the jobs not being there. I know this is not too much, but definitely better than a zero. Upper age limit is 30 year. Upper age limit is 30 year, and age relaxation for various categories is as per the rule of Government of India. Now, what is the selection procedure? The screening committee will scrutinize the application received based on the marks obtained by the candidate in the diploma engineering examination. That means the first shortlisting will be on the basis of how many marks have you obtained in the diploma. That is, what they will do is they will arrange the candidates in the decreasing order based on the score in their diploma and examination. Now, so the final selection list is based on the merit list of the written test. That is, after shortlisting, you will also have to go through a written test. Okay. And the candidates will be called in the written test in a ratio of 1:15. That means if there are 40 vacancies in total, 600 candidates will be called for written test. Okay. And 1 in every 15 candidates will be selected and shortlisted for the job. Now, medical standard, your medical should be sound health and should meet the medical standard prescribed by the company. Okay. Now, your appointment will be subjected to medical fitness duly certified by the company's medical officer. That means, my dear, you can't get a medical certificate externally. Your medical should be certified by the company's medical officer, and no relaxation in the health standard is allowed. That means if your health is not as per the criteria set by them, there won't be any relaxation, there won't be any exception. If you don't meet the health standards, then you won't be accepted. So what I would recommend is you just check out what is the central government's medical standard in different jobs or different PSUs that they float, because here also you will have similar sort of medical standard. Before applying, I know you would want to know whether or not you will be selected. For that purpose, check out the medical standards of various PSU. Definitely the same will be followed here. So you can check out whether or not you will be eligible. Okay. Now, how you have to apply? You have to apply on ITI Limited website on this link www.itilimited.in. In addition to application, you have to submit the hard copy of application along with the required document. After a long time, somebody is asking for hard copy. Okay. By registered or speed post. Now guys, one thing you need to take care here. You can't just send it by courier. You have to do a registered post or a speed post. Okay. Now, without submitting the hard copy of relevant documents, you will not be considered. You will not be considered for the further process of recruitment. Last date is 15 May 2021 and last date for hard copies is 21 May 2021. Okay. And the return date they have told is 4th July 2021. Okay, 4th July 2021. I believe by that time the COVID will also be reduced. So this exam date is still feasible. Place will be Raebareli, Lucknow. So guys, you have to be ready to travel if you are applying from some other part of the country. Okay, and you have to send the documents to this address. You can take a screenshot. You have to send the documents here. And the documents are self-attested photocopies of certificates and mark sheet in proof of the educational qualification. 10th standard, SLC and onward. That is your diploma as well as your 10th standard. And also original should be produced at the time of appointment. Because at the time of appointment, they will verify your documents. So your self-attested copies will be checked against the original documents. So guys, that is all about this job. If you feel interested in applying for it, definitely go for it. If you don't, then ignore this video. And my friend, if you wish to prepare for any technical exams with me, watch my special classes live on Unacademy app. You will find all the links here. This link will provide you all the links that I have taken so far or I am going to take in the future. If you want to watch my live classes, you have to visit this link, then click on upcoming live classes and you will find all my live classes that I am going to take in the future. Other than that, you can become a member of Unacademy Plus, one of the best community of engineers where we teach all the technical and the non-technical aspects of the engineering exams, and we train you to get the top ranks and to get the best jobs in the industry. Here you will find all the top educators of this country teaching live under a single roof on a single platform. And my friend, they provide you comprehensive as well as crash courses. And not only this, you get study material, question bank, test series, and your doubts are also cleared. The best part is, in one subscription, all the batches, all the branches will be unlocked. You don't have to pay even 1 rupee extra once you join Unacademy. And if in case you wish to fly higher, go with Iconic, where all these benefits are already there, along with a personal coach, a GATE and ESE topper who will create a study planner for you. The teachers will provide study booster session. You will get test analysis done separately. You will also get study material, and my dear, there will be a dedicated team to solve your queries immediately. So if you apply the code Ankit ESE, here you get an amazing scholarship of 10%, and my dear, you can also study under my personal guidance. I'll be guiding you personally if you apply the code Ankit ESE. And in case you need scholarship, so on 9th of May, 11 AM, we are going to have the biggest scholarship test ever for the GATE domain. And here the entire syllabus of electrical, EC or whatever is your branch will be asked. You can win a scholarship from a pool of 4 crore. And here the top 3 people will get 100% scholarship. So enroll now using the code Ankit ESE so that I can check how my students have performed in this scholarship test. And one thing to be remembered, this test is absolutely free. My friend, this is the latest batch that has been started on the platform. More new batches will be coming soon. And remember, we have also started the PSU batches from 5th of May, which are there for HAL, HPCL, RVUNL and DFCCIL. So enjoy GATE, ESE and now PSU as well on the platform. And my friend, if you join with Ankit ESE, your 1 year fees will be 27 to 25, 18 months, 34,650 and 2 years, 39,600. I would suggest go for 2 year. Your per month fees will be minimized and you can always pay in 12 equal installments without having to pay any interest. And this installment scheme can also be availed on debit card. And with Ankit ESE, your 1 year Iconic fees will become 45 to 25 and 2 year will become 66,600. Again, I would suggest to go for 2 years because here you get the minimum pricing. And this is my Unacademy profile, guys. You can follow me on the app, and here on the app itself you can send me messages and chat with me. In case you have any queries related to subscription, call on 7089047561. And this is my Telegram channel where I update every student related to the jobs, related to my lecture notification, my lecture notes. Everything is available on this single Telegram channel. So write this in your browser. You will be redirected to a Telegram channel. Join that channel immediately. Thank you everybody. I hope this video proves useful to you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Do hit that bell icon to get notified whenever any new video comes up. Thank you. All the best guys. Let's crack it.